Meaning of ethnographic.
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 Ethnographic. The term ethnographic refers to the practice of studying and recording cultural and social phenomena within a specific group or community. This typically involves conducting fieldwork, observing customs and traditions, and interviewing individuals within the community. The ultimate goal is to create a comprehensive and accurate description of the group's culture, beliefs, and practices. Ethnographic research is often used in anthropology, sociology, and other social sciences. The result is an in-depth understanding of the group being studied, which can be used to inform policy decisions and shape cultural awareness and understanding.